welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to use this ultimate science kit. As I said in the last video, I've decided on making the Oobleck. For this experiment, we will need a spatula, cornstarch, yellow food color, blue food color, measuring cylinder, and a cup. So first we are going to add 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch. Now I am going to pour 5 ml of water in the cornstarch. Now I am going to add 2 drops of yellow food color and blue food color. Now I am going to mix it well. Now our Oobleck is ready. When you tilt it, it flows like liquid. When you tap it with a spatula, it feels like solid. I added more cornstarch and it became a thicker texture. And now it looks like this. Till now I was feeling like using the spatula and stuff. Now I want to just do it on my hand. Whatever will happen. It's flowing like liquid, but it's basically slime. It's feeling exactly like slime. After making so much mess, the only thing remaining is the ruins of the Oobleck. Now I'm going to tell the concept. The Oobleck do not fall in the category of solid or liquid. It's a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts as a liquid until you apply pressure. Then it acts like a solid. So this is the end of our video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to visit the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. Bye! See you in our next video.